All right, and this is what I've got in bloom and growing in my side yard on May 15th. So in the front here, I've got some boneset with some Joe Pye weed behind there. This is a mixture. I had some blue vervain that self-seeded right next to one of my brown-eyed Susans. So this is both of them. Some more of the blue vervain, some more of the brown-eyed Susan, more brown-eyed Susan. I've got some swamp milkweeds here. Got about 6 of those. This is kind of hard to see. It's a reddish tinge to it. This is lance leaf loosestrife. Behind that I have the New England asters and some Tartarian asters, which are non-native, that have spread quite a bit. Got a golden Alexander here in front of that. Some more blue vervain popping up. These are some purple coneflower, which are actually not native to Virginia. This is my beard tongue, which is currently in bloom. You'll often see the bumblebees kind of pulling themselves into the flowers with their little butts sticking out. It's really cute. This is a St. John's wort. Got some more coneflowers in there. This is a lance leaf coreopsis that's just starting to bloom. More of the lance leaf loosestrife. This is a white turtle head here in the front. This is kind of a pretty moist area, so lots of these plants like that moisture. Got New York ironweed, several of those in here. And then a couple Dahl's daisy that I just planted there. You'll also see lots of the primrose-leaved violets here. These are a native white violet. And then moving next to the house here, these are swamp rose mallow, which are a native hibiscus. Next to that, I've got Canada goldenrod. This is one that spreads very quickly through rhizomes. In front of that, I've got a shorter version of the Joe Pye weed. A little bit more of that shorter Joe Pye over here. And then the wild bergamot behind there. Got more of the mountain mint in here, as well as some more of the New York ironweed. With the competition of the mountain mint, these are much taller than my others. I've got a Virginia creeper vine that decided to pop up in the midst of my raspberry plants there. And I've got some of my vegetables, herbs, more herbs, strawberries. Moving into this side bed here, I've got some blueberry bushes. This is white snakeroot. Got some native violets that have decided to start popping up in here. These are Eastern Blue Star. And this one has done some blooming already and probably has some more to go. This one's just starting here. Its first blooms. Got a couple more Joe Pye weeds over here. A few baby golden Alexanders that I just recently planted next to one of my button bushes. Got 5 more of the swamp rose mallow, the native hibiscus over here. This is another wet area where they really thrive. Some more of the New York ironweed. These are cup plants. These will get very tall, have yellow flowers on them. This is a baby version of a bush that I moved last year. This is sweet pepper bush. So it's starting to come back, but not growing very quickly. Got a couple more of the I'm gonna get it here. The come on, swamp. Milkweed, swamp milkweed. Wow, that took way longer than it should have. Also a couple cardinal flowers, very small, that I just planted. These are black-eyed Susans. A couple blue false indigo plants behind those. These are some more of the blazing star. I've got tons and tons of self-heal, or heal all. It has several different names. I planted one last year and it has just spread all over the place. There are some native sunflowers in here as well. I'm not sure exactly which kind. Someone traded for them last year, and I have not seen them bloom yet, so I'm having trouble identifying exactly which type they are. Another blue false indigo. Got a baby rattlesnake master here. This is a Virginia sweet spire bush. And another one of those that's a little bigger over here that's already in bloom. Blueberry bush. Got 5 sneeze weeds right in here. There's some more of the wild bergamot. This is blue-eyed grass, which is in bloom. Looking out there, I've got some more of the cutleaf coneflower. This is a New York aster. Those 3 over there are Culver's root. I've got lots of other asters in here. I know I've got some panicle aster, some aromatic aster. So lots of different ones. This is a late bone set. And that I've got some of the blue mist flower. A couple more of the brown-eyed Susans over here. And this is the red bee balm, which doesn't look super happy. I haven't had much luck growing it in the past, and it looks like this one might end up dying too. And then over here I've got a few blue lobelias, as well as a few more of the cardinal flower. Got another button bush. This one is larger than the other and is starting to develop its buttons. Around here I've got some more of the blue mist flower, some very small wild bergamot, some more black-eyed Susan, blue mist flower, mountain mint, and then a few more of the eastern blue star. I've got a couple in these grow bags. That one's not doing much. This one is starting to. Some of the maypop, the purple passion vine. I'll grow up my trellis here, and just some sweet potato, purple sweet potato slips there. On the side here, this is mostly just vegetables and stuff, but I do have a coral honeysuckle that I just planted that is getting its blooms. hopefully will open up soon. So that is the side yard.